ASML remains the world's most important semiconductor equipment company. But can booming AI demand offset growing pressure on margins and profitability? First half revenue reached €18.1 billion, while net income climbed to €5.24 billion despite significantly higher investment spending. Service revenue grew much faster than system sales, showing how ASML's expanding installed base is creating increasingly recurring income. Advanced EUV systems continue to dominate the business, while High-NA is beginning its commercial ramp and reshaping future revenue. Memory demand rebounded sharply, nearly matching logic sales, making ASML's customer base much more balanced than a year ago. Revenue continued to grow strongly, but lower margins and higher research spending limited earnings growth during the first half. Although profitability remained excellent, working capital movements pushed operating cash flow temporarily into negative territory. To meet accelerating AI demand, ASML plans to increase both EUV and immersion system capacity by around 30% next year. ASML continues investing aggressively in future technology while simultaneously rewarding shareholders through dividends and large share buybacks. ASML's technological leadership remains unmatched, but future shareholder returns will depend on execution, margins and valuation discipline.